I think the game is called Come Closer. And it's not a fun game to play. Please don't play that game.
Do you want to try on the creek?
Could try in there. You can go there. 100%.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I'm happy to try tail walk too if you want to change.
Yeah, I don't know what he's doing, but
You really never exactly know what Charlie's going to do. I can see what he's feeling here.
What's he feeling?
See if he's interested. You really never know.
No,
But
it's
if
just-
not, we can always change things up a little bit
yeah.
and try for something different. That's the fun of it here. But let's see what he thinks. What do you reckon, Charlie? Hey, Charlie.
Ooh, Robert.
Just go a little closer,
Charlie.
Robert.
Nah.
There you go. There we go.
Stop looking at my legs, Charlie. Up here, big boy. Up here, Chucky. Up here, Chucky.
Are you taking your crocodile for a walk?
I'm taking it for a little stroll. Here you go, Chucky.
Okay, and feed it.
You let me know where I'm at with the group. Here we go. Here we go.
Woo!